Call Emily Baker. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Thank you. You can be seated. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Not that one, Miss Baker, not the extra one. The flat one in front of you. I know, we should move that so that it's not distracting you. Go ahead.
It's Emily Baker.
Is that just a common spelling? Is that a common spelling, Emily Baker? Can you spell it for the report, please?
Emily.
Ms. Baker, how are you employed currently?
I am employed. I'm in the Air National Guard full-time. I work at Karter Pediatrics on Mondays.
Okay, how long have you worked with primary pediatrics?
Before I joined the military, I was there 7 years.
7 years. Okay, so did you work there in 2020?
Yes, sir.
In November of 2020?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you recall on November 17th of 2020, does that date stick out to you at all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why?
That is the day that Karter Ambrose came in, and we had a problem.
Okay, so what were you doing?
It was the beginning of the morning, so we didn't really start working yet, and it was still kind of at the end of COVID. And then we had a call from the front stating that there was a guy with a lifeless child. So we went out there, me and one of the nurses. So we went out, told him to come back. We put him in a room. Went in there, asked the guy, we had to assess what was going on, and then realized that he needed attention fast.
So let me back up. You said that you were in the back?
Yes, so
what were your duties?
So I'm a medical tech.
Okay.
So I usually work with the patients, find out what's going on, get vitals on them,
Okay.
and then put it in the system and let the doctors know what's going on.
Okay. So you're at work this Tuesday morning,
Yes.
just like it's an ordinary day,
Right.
right? Okay. And then you said a man came with a child?
Yes.
Okay. Did you know who that man was?
No, sir.
Okay. Who was the child?
It was Karter Ambrose.
Okay. Did the man know who the child was?
Yes.
Okay. Did he provide any of his information?
Any of
Karter's
Karter's information?
Correct.
He provided the basic information that he knew.
Okay.
We found out that he was a boyfriend of the mom.
Okay. All right. But you didn't really know at that time.
Right.
All that. Okay. So where did you first see Karter?
In the waiting room. Like when our doors are right here, but like if you're facing the parking lot, our door's to the left. So that's the Ford Hall. So and when they come in, like he was in the lobby. So he was holding Karter in his arms, and so we directed him to a room.
Okay. You said we directed him to a room?
Me and Casey,
Okay.
the nurse.
Casey, what's Casey's last name? Do you recall her last name?
Hold on, I went blank.
Is it Karter?
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry.
So you ushered Karter to a room?
Right, correct.
Okay. And how many people went to that room?
So me, Casey, Dr. Robert Ford was in there. There was a nurse practitioner, like about 2 nurse practitioners, and another nurse that I recall.
And what was the atmosphere like with everybody in there? What was going on?
Everybody was just working together. I know someone, they were going to get IV so they could start an IV. Dr. Robert Ford was on the table, well, he was listening to him, and then he could tell like there were barely any heartbeat. So he got on the table, started doing compressions. So it was kind of like calm chaos.
Mm-hmm.
And then I would come out, called 911, and they asked for address, phone number, all the basic information, and we were just relaying it back and forth.
So what, I think, did you say Dr. Ford?
Dr. Robert Ford.
Robert Ford, okay. You said, I think, compressions, is that right?
He was doing CPR.
CPR, okay.
I think they did the shot machine on him. So they-
EKG or-
Yeah.
Okay. When you first saw the child, what did he look like?
He was limp, lifeless. The bottom of his feet were like white. There was no color to him, and his eyes were rolled in the back of his head.
And the man who brought him in, did he say anything about the child's situation?
Once we got in the room, he did.
What did he say?
He stated that the night before, that he was vomiting, and then he said he gave him a breathing treatment. And he said that, I'm not sure if it was before or after the breathing treatment, that he was bent down on his hand, kind of, I'm assuming like a seizure, he was having a seizure. And then he said, before he brought him in, he said that he had a bowel.
Had a bowel movement. Did he say that the child was throwing up or anything like that?
Yes, that was later or during the night.
Okay. And so you called 911. So did EMS show up?
They,
Now, I know it was a long time ago, but do you recall roughly how long the child was there at primary pediatrics receiving care before EMS came?
I would say at least 20 minutes
Okay.
before they arrived.
Nothing further this time around.
Mr. Greer?
Thank you, Your Honor. Your last name is Baker, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Baker, my name is Jeff Groom. I'm a lawyer from Warner Robins, here representing Ms. Davis. Have you ever met Ms. Davis?
I might have seen her passing at the doctor's office, but
Might have seen her where?
possibly at the doctor's office, but not personally. No.
Okay, and you were there at this pediatric place for, you say, 7 years?
Yes, sir.
From when until when?
I started in January of 2013 or 14.
Oh, wow.
And then I was there for 7 years, and then I went to the military, and I recently came back to work. I just work on Mondays.
Oh, you work at this same place on Mondays?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Now, after this event occurred, did someone from one of the doctors from the business there ask you to write up a statement?
Yes, sir. I believe everyone that was there that day wrote a statement, and we sent it.
And you wrote up a statement, did you not?
Yes, sir.
When you met with the district attorney's office recently, you had a chance to go back over this statement, is that right?
Yes, sir.
And that you recall in writing the statement that the child was taken, when there was evidence that the child was in a state of distress, that the child was taken to room number 4, is that right?